President Draupadi Murmu presented the President of India's police colour to the Sikkim police in Gangtok. Speaking on the occasion, the President said that transparency and accountability are absolutely indispensable within the policing system. She stated that the police apparatus must be made more citizen-friendly so that ordinary people can register their grievances without fear. Priority must also be accorded to adopting a sensitive approach towards women, children, and vulnerable sections of society. President said that the police must evolve into partners and guides for the citizens. By embracing this collaborative role, trust between the public and the police will be strengthened. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla addressed a distinguished gathering at a function to release 89 volumes of the proceedings of the Central Legislative Assembly and launched the inaugural issue of the quarterly magazine Vidhan Chetna in New Delhi. Speaking on the occasion, the speaker said that India's democracy serves as a guiding light for the world and continues to inspire nations through its deep-rooted traditions of dialogue, participation, and constitutional values. He emphasized that democratic institutions derive their true strength from informed dialogue, fact-based discussions, and active public participation. He also said that preserving and studying India's parliamentary heritage is essential for strengthening democratic consciousness among future generations. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal concluded his 3-day visit to Canada with an engaging interaction with members of the Canada-India Foundation. The minister led the largest ever Indian business delegation to Canada, comprising industry leaders from over 100 Indian companies, in a landmark step towards the full revival of India-Canada economic relations. During the interaction, he highlighted the invaluable contribution of the Indo-Canadian community in bringing the two nations closer through stronger business engagement and people-to-people ties. Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Shivraj Singh Chauhan addressed a press conference on the Kharif Conference 2026 in New Delhi. During the briefing, the minister said that ensuring the country's food security, improving farmers' livelihoods and providing nutritious food to citizens remain the highest priorities of the central government. Highlighting the achievements of the agriculture sector, he said that due to the hard work of farmers, policy support from the central government, scientific research, and cooperation from states, India has surpassed all previous records in food grain production this year. Union Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports Raksha Khadse addressed the Nasha Mukt Yuva for Viksit Bharat Purvottar program in Shillong. Addressing the gathering, the minister said that we must collectively take forward the Nasha Mukt Abhiyan in mission mode. Our youth are the greatest strength of the nation, and it is our shared responsibility to guide them towards the right direction. If we provide them with positive guidance and opportunities, we will certainly achieve the goal of Viksit Bharat 2047.